thank all you guys for joining me for this high-level option program. This is probably the best training that I've ever given. One of the things that we're going to talk about is a strategy that I use that I haven't taught anywhere. And you guys are going to get it. And really, it's an incredible strategy, and it's a strategy that I'm going to teach exclusively to you guys that I use, which is near riskless trading. When you see it, you'll know why. It's an incredible strategy that you probably haven't seen anyplace else. I've never seen it. I mean, I've been to seminar after seminar after seminar, especially when I was first getting started, back in the early 2000s, and I keep track of almost every person's strategy out there. And it is a month-to-month program. It is a month-to-month strategy that generates income on a regular basis. It's consistently profitable, it has very low risk, and it gives you the best opportunity for large profits. This is a very, very simple type of trade, and it's something that I think that anybody can do. I am sure all you guys can do this. And it's extremely simple to monitor. I mean, if you got 10-15 minutes a day, you just go in and monitor it and take a look at it and see how it's doing. Here's some of the benefits of the system before we move on, just to give you kind of a taste of what you're going to see. It has very, very limited risk. Now, what I did was I set up a demo trade where I went short just before it went up, and I did it on purpose because my signal said the market was going up. So I decided to test it and show you exactly how almost risk-free this is. I went short at, I think it was 19,150. We're currently at 19,657, so it's gone against me by over 500 points. Now that's a big move, and I think I'm losing like maybe $100. With that size of a move, you'd be down $2,500, and this has lost less than $100. This one trade can just make an incredible amount of money for you. I'm not kidding. I hate to say that because it sounds kind of hypey, but it is absolutely true. And I've done it for 8 years. When you learn this, it's just, I mean, oh my gosh. I thought when I first discovered this trade that, oh my gosh, everybody must be doing this, and I started searching all the forums. I went to, I went to every forum I could possibly think of. There's one called Big Trader or something, and I was on their forum, and I'm looking for all this different information, and nobody had this trade. And of course, I didn't say a word. This is the very first time I've ever revealed this. You don't have to worry about assignment. You are totally protected against the market going the opposite direction. And if it does go in your direction, your profit is only limited by the number of contracts that you sell. And you know what? Here's another benefit to this particular type of strategy. Number one, you don't have to have stops. You can't get closed out. The second thing is you can hold it over a weekend. You know how many traders hate trading anything over the weekend because they're afraid of a huge move on Monday morning or Sunday night when the futures open again? This is a huge benefit. This went against me 515 points, and we're down $77. I'm telling you guys, this is an incredible strategy. I mean, holding it over a weekend, no problem. Holding it overnight, no problem. You can sleep. Exactly. Yeah. There's no worries. When I first started doing these, I had the idea that, well, gee, if I'm only losing a few bucks if it goes against me, well, why don't I go put one position on that's long and one position that's short? So you can be actually long and short at the same time. So this makes money on a consistent basis, month in, month out, and it's the simplest way to trade. You guys are going to be the first ones to see it. I have never taught it before. When you learn this, it's going to really make an impact in your trading. And I think you're going to get a ton of information out of this, and I really want to make this the very best option program available anywhere. By the time you're done, you're going to be a specialist in this one system, which, over 30 years of trading that I've done, is the best system that I've ever found. It's consistently profitable. It has very low risk, and it gives you the best opportunity for large profits.